guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. My name's Brooklyn, and if you want to help me out, subscribe. This is my first fidget video, so can you like? Now, I'm doing 3 rounds of fidgets, and I'll get to do the sound, and you get to guess them. Now you have 2 options on the screen, and you have 5 seconds. And you gotta guess. Now 2 options on the screen, now you gotta guess in 5 seconds. On the screen, you have 5 seconds to guess. Squishy ball, which is very satisfying. Round 2 was the pop it. Round 3 was the pop too. Let me know what fidget was in the 3 of these. I have more than 3, but that's okay. Answer bottom below and tell me how much answers you got right. Bye guys. Subscribe to Brooklyn and Jack the Cat.